Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about sequence detector. It is a topics in digital circuits and systems. So let's begin. 1011 was our required pattern. So we will start with the initial state A. This is our initial state. So when input 1 is detected, we will move to a state B. This is how we will represent input and output, input slash output. So input is 1 but output remains 0 because we require all the 4 bits to complete our sequence. So if initial bit is 1, we will move to the next state because we have found the first bit of our required pattern. But if we get a 0 in the initial state itself, so our pattern cannot be completed at all, so we will stay in this state itself. And we will wait for input as 1. Now this is the state where 1 has been detected. So after this, if we get a 0, then we will go to the state C, a new state, 0/0. So this is the state where 1 0 has been detected. And in state B, after getting 1, if we get another 1, so this will not match our pattern, but this is the beginning of the pattern that we require. So we will stay in this state itself. (1/0), and we will wait for 0 to come. So this is the state where 1 0 was detected. Now our next bit can be 0 or 1. If it is 1, then 3 bits of a pattern are matched and we will move to another state D. (1/0). Here 3 bits of pattern are matched, 1 0 1. What if we get a 0 on state C? Then pattern cannot be matched. We have to move to the initial state and wait for another 1 to come. So from state C, if we have a 0 as a third bit, then we have no option but to move to state A, and our output still remains 0. So corresponding to every state, I have taken 2 inputs because we are considering only binary input. So 0 and 1, there are the 2 possibilities. And now state D. So at state D, we are in this situation. 1 0 1 have been detected, and now we are waiting for the 4th input. Now if at state D we have 4th input as 1, then this will match our pattern, so output 1 has to be generated. And now, but from here, this may be beginning of another pattern, 1 0 1 1, like that. So we will move to the state where 1 was detected and output generated will be 1. So the state where 1 was detected was state B. So we will move. We'll move to state B. Input is 1 as well as output is 1. And from here we will wait for 0 to come, so we can move consequently to state C and D. Now what happens if we get 4 digit as a 0? Now it will not match our pattern, So output will remain 0, but here you can see that 2 bits of a required pattern match. So we will move to a state where these 2 bits have been detected and wait for 1011 to come. So 10 was detected on state C, and from D we will move to state C. If we get a 0, output will remain 0. So this is the only way we will get output as 1 when we get 1011 in our input. So this will be the state diagram that we are looking for, and I hope this clears most of your doubts.